How to combine PDFs in Blueboom 2025 step by step. Most people get PDF management wrong by thinking combining documents is complicated. In Blueboom 2025, merging PDFs is actually fast and straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open Blueboom Review and navigate to the File menu. Select Batch and then Combine. This is where most users miss the hidden options. Choosing Batch allows you to combine multiple files efficiently. Step 2. Add the PDFs you want to merge. You can drag and drop files or use the Add Files button. You won't believe what happens next. You can rearrange the order of your PDFs before combining, which saves a lot of time if you need a specific sequence. Step 3. Choose your settings. Blueboom lets you retain bookmarks, create a new file for each set of pages, or merge everything into a single PDF. The surprising truth is that using the Apply Bookmarks feature keeps navigation clean, especially for long documents. Step 4. Click Combine and select where to save the new PDF. Blueboom processes the files quickly, even with large sets. You can also choose to overwrite an existing file or create a new one automatically. Step 5. Review the combined PDF. Make sure pages are in order and bookmarks function correctly. If needed, use Blueboom's editing tools to rotate, delete, or insert pages. In conclusion, combining PDFs in Blueboom 2025 is simple once you know the steps. By using the Batch Combine feature and customizing bookmarks, you can create organized, professional PDFs in minutes. Whether you're in construction, engineering, or office work, this tool streamlines document management efficiently.